Hello dear Libra, welcome back to my channel, and this is your April month monthly reading. This is going to cover every area of your life, so let's start. March 29th is a new moon. It is a perfect time for manifestations and rituals. So if you want to know more about it, please stay tuned till the end. Let's begin. Let's see how your April month is going to be. You've got the Prophetess and the Lovers card. In the first week of April, I would say that Libra, your focus is more on your personal life. Your intuition is trying to tell you something, and you have to listen to your intuition because you are an intuitive being. So, I do see with the Lovers card here that some sort of communication is coming, or you are communicating with someone. I also see options and third party situations. So, if your intuition is telling you that your partner is talking to multiple people or having an extramarital affair, that is quite a possibility. So please follow your intuition so that you're able to take the next correct steps in your life. If you think there's somebody else who's trying to spoil your relationship, like not another person in the form of, uh, opposite sex, but your own family members, in-laws, or friends which are trying to influence your partner's brain or trying to create troubles for the both of you, then that's also a possibility. A third party situation can be any. So listen to your intuition. If your intuition is telling you this person is creating problems in your relationships, please make sure that they go away from it, right? In the second week, you've got the Four of Stars and the Star card. I do see that when the truth comes out, when this communication comes out of the hurt in your relationship, you will be hurt, right? You are betrayed. They did not choose you. They chose to listen to somebody else, or they chose another person, or they cheated on you, lied to you. I understand that. I do feel that some of you are still waiting for a reconciliation. You still have hope. If that is so, if that is what you're wishing for, then you are in great luck because the star card has come into your reading, which is the card of, wish fulfillment. I do see your focus is more on your personal life in the month of April, at least in the starting 2 weeks, than on your professional life. So yes, whatever you're wishing for, whether that's more money, whether that's marriage, whether that's reconciliation, whether that's having babies, anything, it is going to happen for you. So good luck will be on your side. So please maintain a positive attitude so that you can manifest your dreams faster. Hope is coming back into your life. That means some sort of communication channel will open between you and the other person. Some sort of expectations from your career growth also you can do. So yes, your life will move forward once you start hoping for things to turn out positively for you. Okay. Coming to the third week, we have the Ten of Spades and the Emperor card. I do see rapid developments happening in your life. So if your life was stuck, like financially, money was not coming, career wise, promotion was not really happening, very slow movement, and personal life wise, that relationship that you have been in has been in, like you've been in for so long, it's just not taking the next step, right? If this is you, then expect sudden developments in your overall life. Your career will start booming, you will get that promotion, you will get that money, the money raise is coming, the bonus, the profit, and the relationship will also start taking a next step forward in the dynamics. So expect a lot of balance, expect a lot of stability coming into your life, especially when you remove the toxic people, the ones you think are creating problems for you and your party or your partner. You will see that peace will be restored in your relationships. You will also see that financial stability will be restored in your career as well. I also see that some of you will be getting an authoritative position. It could be that your partner was not listening to you because of these third party people, and now they will start listening to you. You will have authority, they will listen to you, follow your instructions, and in your career as well, I do see you getting onto a promotion, onto a position which will give you a lot of authority. You might have a team now who will be following your orders, and you will get that kind of authority. Now, I also see that some of you could have a father figure, elder brother, husband, or head of the family who has a lot of influence in your life. They will be guiding you throughout your relationship issues or your career issues, or maybe you're into business with them, or maybe they are, you've got a new job because of them. Whatever it is, listen to their advice. Okay, they might come across as aggressive or assertive, and but they mean well, they care for you, and that is why they're guiding you on a correct path. When you listen to them, when you take their guidance, you will see that your life will actually start growing faster than you expect it to be. Coming to the last week, let's see how April is ending for you, Libra. You've got the 9 of moons and you've got the 1 of suns. Brilliant. I do see a lot of celebrations happening in your life. So you actually could be getting engaged, married in the month of April, or at least you're planning uh, for one. I do see that you will be getting a lot of attention, you will be getting a lot of fame as well in your career or your personal life. I do see new beginnings for you, and I also see a rebirth, which means that if you thought that some relationship has ended or this is not the one for you, I do see some sort of reconciliation happening for you, which means you two will be reuniting again, and probably you will be getting married to this very person. Okay, or you have a fresh start with them. So some sort of new beginning is waiting for you. It can be a new career success altogether, a new career path altogether, or the marriage that you are in, or your relationship that you are in. So if I look back at your whole month, Libra, it is going to be beautiful. I do see that there will be some tensions here and there, but luck is on your side. Stability is coming to you, and new beginnings, fresh start, celebrations are coming to you. So what better than that? Please wish for whatever you want to, because this is going to be your month. And if you guys resonated with my reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you get the notification firsthand. And now most importantly, March 29th is the time of new moon. It is the time, a powerful time to do manifestations and other rituals. So if you would like to book a manifestation bay leaf ritual with me, or a blockage removal ritual with me, this is the time now. These rituals have to be performed on March 29th.